Welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. My name is Orna and today we'll be doing an intense Yoga Sculpt full body workout for beginners with weights. Thanks for joining me today. So what you're going to need is a mat to exercise on and 2 dumbbells. So put your dumbbells down at the top of your mat, come and stand hip width apart. Take a big inhale through your nose, drawing your hands all the way up to the sky, stretching your body. Exhale, forward fold, drop your fingertips down to your mat. Let the crown of your head fall down, maybe bend slightly at your knees. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back, let the crown of your head come towards the front of the room. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up to standing, sparking your fingertips to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. One last time, inhale, rise all the way up to standing, sparking your fingertips to the sky. Exhale, drop your fingertips down to your mat, let the crown of your head fall down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Then just take a hold of opposite elbows. Let your body fall down towards your mat. And just sway lightly from side to side, stretching the muscles in your legs. Releasing your hands, take a hold of your weights and come up to standing. Bring your weights to opposite your shoulders. Let the weights face the front of the room. Take a big inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale, lift the weights all the way above your head, almost to touching, lengthening your arms. Exhale, come back down to shoulder height. Inhale, lift all the way up. Exhale, come down. We're going to do this for 10. All the way up. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Awesome. Now drop the weights down to the side of your body. Come and stand in the middle of your mat and we're going to do some mountain to warrior 3 leg raises. So keeping your weights in the middle of your mat. Take a big inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose, lift your left leg off your mat, lifting it all the way towards the back of the room. Let the weights fall towards your mat as you drop your torso, coming into your warrior 3. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come down to warrior 3. Inhale up to mountain. Exhale to warrior 3 for 8. 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come all the way up, grounding down to your feet and swap sides. So ground down through your left foot, inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth and drop into your warrior 3 on your right. Inhale, come all the way up for 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Now stretch forward with your left foot at the top of your mat. Bring your right foot all the way back, keeping a bend in your front knee, the weight in your hands, and stay on the toes of your right foot. Inhale, lift your hands all the way up to the sky, and we're going to do some high lunge pulses. So we're going to drop your knee slightly towards the back of the room and lift all the way back up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Now swap sides. Step forward with your right foot and back with your left. Coming into your high lunge on the right. Lift your hands all the way up and dropping your left knee down towards the ground. Keeping the bend in your right knee. Drop down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your hands, come all the way out and shake it off. Drop one of your weights down to the side of your mat, and we're going to come into a low lunge. Bring your left foot forward on your mat, drop your right knee down, take a hold of one of the weights with both of your hands. Bring your hands to prayer. Take an inhale and lift your hands all the way up, keeping that front knee bent over that front ankle, and really stretch your hips forward. On your exhale, drop your hands behind your head, dropping the weight as far down as it can go, keeping your elbows tucked in. Inhale, lift all the way up for 9. Exhale down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Drop the weight and swap your legs. So come into your low lunge on your right foot, keeping that front knee bent over that front ankle, really keeping a stretch between your thighs. Bringing your hands to prayer with the weight in between. Take an inhale, lift all the way up. Exhale, drop down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing, great job. So put your weight down on the side of your mat. Bring your hands down to frame your right foot. Come onto the toes of your left foot and lift back into your high plank. Lifting your right hand lightly off your mat, take a hold of your weight and pull it all the way over to the right side of your mat. Then plant your right hand back down, grab the weight with your left hand and pull your weight all the way back to the left. Now really try and keep your hips stable while you're in this pose. So if it means doing it a bit more slowly, then do it a bit more slowly. Take a hold of the weight with the right, pull it over to the right, left, for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just hold yourself in your high plank for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees down to either side of your mat and push your hips all the way back into child's pose to just take a mini rest. Come back into your high plank, stacking your shoulders over your wrists, your ankles over your toes. Take a hold of your weight with your left hand and balancing on your right hand. Lift your weight all the way up to your shoulder. Drop back down to the mat. Try and keep your hips level as you do this. Lift all the way up for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop your weight down, good job. Now we'll try it on the other side. Lift up your weight with your right hand, bring it all the way to your shoulder for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Drop your weight down, drop your knees down and come into tabletop. Now in tabletop, stack your knees under your hips. Your wrists are still under your shoulders. Take a hold of the weight with your right hand. Reach it all the way forward to the front of the room. Kick your left foot all the way back. And on your inhale, draw your elbow to your knee together under your belly. Lift all the way back out. All the way in on your inhale. All the way out on your exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your weight back down and swap sides. So grinding down to your right hand. Take a hold of your weight with your left. Inhale, lift it all the way out. Kicking your right leg all the way out behind you. Inhale to center. Exhale, kick out. Inhale under your belly. Exhale out for 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Drop your weight down to the side of your mat. And come and lie down into your well-deserved Shavasana. Now you've done so well. So we're gonna get a minute of a really nice, well-deserved rest. So bring your feet out to either side of your mat. Come and lie down. Tuck your shoulders under. Let your hands come out by your side with your palms facing up. And close your eyes. Really starting to rest your mind. Bringing your attention all the way back to your breath. And letting your heart rate come all the way back down to resting. And slowly start to wiggle your fingers and your toes, bringing some movement to your arms and your legs. When you're ready, keeping your eyes closed, roll lightly onto one side and lift up into a comfortable seated position. Bringing your hands to prayer at heart center. Take a moment to acknowledge the time that you gave yourself today to come to your mat and practice, working your body and resting your mind. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you again in the future. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel, hit hit the notification bell, like this video, or leave a comment.